Masco, a knit composite conglomerate, is a name of a reliable business partner for the leading global knit product buyers since 2001. Masco Group offers the global market leaders a variety of knitted products in the category of tops and bottoms for men, for ladies, for girls, for boys and for kids. On-time partnership, fairness, quality, customer satisfaction, commitment, innovation, creativity, etc. are the hallmarks of Masco Group. Masco Group's affiliates cover different establishments in the field of knitting, dyeing, garments, printing and embroidery. Its integration is facilitated with 8 garments units, 3 dyeing units, 2 printing and embroidery units and 1 knitting unit. Masco Knitting Unit is one of the largest knitting plants of the country. It has been designed with state-of-the-art technology to provide complete knitting solution. This knitting plant has been equipped with 150 sets of modern knitting machines. Most of these machines are from Japan and Korea, along with a few from Germany. The knitting facility covers a wide range of gauges both for single jersey and double jersey, engineering stripe both for single jersey and double jersey, flat knitting, fleece, and all the 4-track and thousands of other designs in the fabrics. All the knitting facilities cover almost all the compositions. Quality of the fabrics is ensured by a skilled inspection team by 4-point system with online inspection facility. Masco Group has got ornamented with 3 dyeing units where production reaches 1,050 tons in a month. A variety of dyeing machines from smaller to larger scales are being used to meet production ranges. High temperature and atmospheric machines used in the factories help dyeing units experience a new height in producing composite dyed fabrics of any fiber. Masco Group has a state-of-the-art finishing lineup, including tubular and open finishing facilities. Selective features of low liquor ratio, low water consumption and low utility factor are presently the hallmark of Masco dyeing units. Masco Group's in-house laboratories have been enriched with almost all the modern facilities. These laboratories are accredited with the approvals from world-renowned buyers H&M, C&A and Lindex for all types of physical tests. 3 other buyers are in the pipeline to provide their approval in favor of these laboratories. One of these laboratories is certified by Nautica. Masco Group has been putting all its sincere endeavors for long to receive almost all its global buying partners accreditation in terms of dyeing lab. On the other hand, Masco Group has a plan to set up a commercial dyeing lab. As part of social and environmental commitment, Masco Group has set up different types of effluent treatment plants in its different dyeing and printing units, with a total capacity of more than 200 cubic meters an hour. There are a good number of related engineers to run all 5 ETPs smoothly. Skilled and trained technicians are assigned in ETP labs to continuously perform different on-site tests to confirm that all the required parameters of treated water are in the range. Wastewater recycling management is also in the pipeline to get inducted. Masco Group has got 8 different garment units covering a total area of around 1.3 million square feet. At present, these facilities are experiencing a production of 7.5 million pieces of garments in a month. Garment manufacturing gets a starter at CAD section under a skilled CAD professionals. Here at Masco Group, CAD sections of individual factories under a central CAD section are contributing to a large extent to fuel up the production. This area needs a high level of accuracy and sophistication, where quality is the last word in order to ensure quality output at the end of the production. Cutting sections of all the garment units offer advantage of appropriate conditioning and appropriate fabric layout with automatic spreading machines of the leading brands. Total quality management and methodological approaches like Kanban, 5S and Kaizen are also in place in all the garment units of Masco Group, with a view to maintaining a concrete and sustainable quality management in the supply chain and operational processes. Along with these activities, industrial engineering teams are contributing a lot in the working floors of the garment units to take advantage of the scope of maximizing productivity with an increase in efficiency. Production floors of all the garment units of Masco Group are well equipped with energy-efficient modern equipment operated by highly dedicated professionals under the monitoring of skilled managers with the background of industrial engineering. Automatic sewing machines, snap button machines, pull test machines, smoking machines and button attaching machines of the latest models are being used in all the garment factories of Masco Group. All the quality tools are always in place in the different manufacturing areas to ensure quality product for the end users. Special attention is also paid to the areas of needle management and quarantine space to restrict and avoid existence of any harmful object with the final product, which are ready to be shipped for the use of the end users. On the way to integrating itself, Masco Group established its state-of-the-art printing and embroidery house in 2006, with a view to offering its buyers international standard printing and embroidery solutions. The printing solution reached a new height in 2014 with the addition of a modern printing house, Masco Picasso Limited. Masco printing houses can facilitate all the leading global brands with a varied range of printing, such as water-based pigment, puff, rubber, glitter, metallic, foil, flock discharge, CMYK-based photo print, index print, cracked metallic puff, oil-based high-density plastisol, glow-in-the-dark, etc. Masco printing houses cover an area of 278,000 square feet, and these houses are capable of producing 6.5 million pieces in 3 colors in a month. Use of color can range up to 16 with auto-circular machines and 32 with manual setup. Masco printing houses are equipped with 14 sets of auto-circular machine and 108 sets of printing table. All the machineries are of European origin. Eco-rinsing machine with the feature of water recycling and flock print with a feature of low emission of dust have been introduced in the printing houses since long. These houses are also the leading facilitator for sublimation print. 17 sets of sublimation machine originated from Japan are presently being used in these printing houses to facilitate the global business partners with world-class sublimation printing solution. Here at the printing houses, each of the final deliveries are made if the products pass 3-time test at its in-house printing lab. Masco Embroidery House marks a high level of embellishment with all types of products. This embroidery house can produce 16,000 million stitches in a month. Very special features in different categories are offered here at Masco Embroidery House. Use of color can range up to 6 for chenille embroidery, 4 for sequins and spangles, 2 for tapping and 1 for bits and cording. Masco Embroidery House is equipped with 53 sets of embroidery machine, 2 sets of spangle machine, 7 sets of laser applique cutting machine, 1 set of laser marking machine and 1 set of continuous heat press machine. Most of the machines originate from Japan. Masco Embroidery House has an experienced design team, very modern technology and skilled manpower. It uses renowned software to contribute to making an embellishment product more lively and beautiful. The Workers and Working Staff Help Desk has ensured a healthy work environment in all the garment facilities of Masco Group. Masco Group maintains a signature trend in providing medical and childcare facilities in all its factories. All the medical sections are attended by full-time doctors and professional nurses. On the other hand, childcare units in all the facilities are the arrangements that make sure of homely environment mingled with family emotion. Here at childcare units, workers leave their children in the laps of motherly affection before heading for the day's work. We maintain compliance in all the factories, not only to meet buyers' demand, but also we maintain it for ourselves. In line with our commitment, pioneering effort has been made in all the factories to ensure compliant work environment. Masco Group nurtures a very professional marketing and merchandising team. Innovative ideas and creative mind mappings are the common professional tools that have regularly been practiced in marketing and merchandising department. Product Fair is one of the rare mind mapping that takes place in Masco Group, where garment samples of different buyers get showcased in one place in an exceptional interior decoration, with an intention to share the product range of Masco Group with all its global buying partners. This product fair includes a variety of product mix being within the category of knit garments. Masco School Kanchun, with a belief that a good initial education helps create good leaders, and in response to CSR and community development, Masco Group established its educational enterprise Masco School Kanchun in the year 2014 in a sprawling green village site at Kanchun. This school is heading towards becoming one of the trendsetters in the area of English medium schooling. Masco Group has many occasions to exhibit its inseparable intra-relations with each other. Milan Mela, or annual get-together, is one of these occasions. Every year, Masco Group organizes Milan Mela, or annual get-together, in the form of picnic and cultural program, with the participation of its management and employees. Each year's Milan Mela covers the fusion of different artistic refreshments and picturesque ideas. Along with the festive air of Milan Mela, inspiration hovers all around, with the grand presence of Chairman of Masco Group, Managing Director of Masco Group, Directors of Masco Group, and Executive Director of Masco Group on the occasion. Their presence in opening and closing part of the events on all the scheduled days makes Masco family members believe that they are the real performers to keep all the members of Masco family in perfect harmony.